Nanaboozhoo, Nieman Waindam, Oma Noongum. BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo, Nieman Waindam, Oma Noongum. BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo, Nieman Waindam, Oma Noongum. BOOZHOO Nanaboozhoo, Nieman Waindam, Oma Noongum. Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Please welcome the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO!
Okay, hey! Welcome back to the show, everybody. Here's our theme song.
And welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about language and culture. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Let's hear it.
Wow. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Do 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 do. Tonight, I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness, there's so much I wanna do. And tonight, I'm gonna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me tonight? I wanna see it in your eyes. Feel the magic. There's something that drives me wild. And tonight, we're gonna make it all come true. 'Cause girl, you were made for me. And girl, I was made for you. Nah. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get enough of me? Oh, whoa. I can't get enough. Oh, whoa. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, I can't get enough. na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I was made to love you.
Oh, what? All right. Here's a song by Prince.
Last June when her old man ran away, she couldn't stop crying cause she knew he was gone to stay. 10:35 on a lonely Friday night, she was sitting at the bar and baby she was looking alright. Asked her if she wanted to dance and she said that all she wanted was a good man and wanted to know if I thought I was qualified. I said, baby, don't waste your time. I know what's on your mind. I might qualified for a one-night stand, but I could never take the place of your man. It felt bad when she told me with tears in her eyes he was all she ever had, and now she wanted to die. Left her with a baby and another one on the way. She couldn't stop crying cause she knew he was gone to stay. She asked me if we could be friends, and I said that, oh honey, baby, if we're dead, and you know and I know that we wouldn't be satisfied. I said, baby, don't waste your time. And I know what's on your mind. I might be qualified for a one-night stand, but I could never take the place of your man.
Something like that.
Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. I feel the heat between me and you. In a stand.
Oh, you're not kidding.
Why do I feel like I'm at a wedding?
Nope, that's true.
Bum, 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 bada bum, bada bada bum, bada bum, bada bada bum, bada bum, bum, bada bum, bada bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, 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 podcast about motive language and conjuration. I'm happy to be Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar. Oh, yeah.
Not too bad, you guys. All right. Now here's a song by the Dave Matthews Band. And it's called Grace is Gone.
Neon shines through smoky eyes tonight. It's 2 a.m. and I'm drunk again, heavy on my mind. I could never love again so much as I love you. Where you end and where I begin is like a river flowing through. Take my heart, take my eyes, I need them no more. 'Cause never again they'll fall upon the one I so adore. Excuse me, please, one more drink. Can you make it strong? 'Cause I don't need to think. And she broke my heart, my grace is gone. One more drink and I'll be gone. One more drink, my grace is gone. One drink to remember, then another to forget. How could I ever dream to find a love like this again? One drink to remember, then another to forget. Excuse me, please, one more drink. Can you make it strong? 'Cause I don't need to think. She
She broke my heart, my grace is gone. One more drink and I'll be gone. One more drink, my grace is gone. You think a thing's impossible, then the sun refuses to shine. I woke with you beside me and your cold and lay in mine. Excuse me, please, one more drink. Can you make it strong, 'cause I don't need to think. She broke my heart, my grace is gone. One more drink and I'll go. Excuse me, please, one more drink. Can you make it strong, 'cause I don't need to think. She broke my heart, my grace is gone. One more drink and I'll be gone. One more drink, my grace is gone. Got a request to do this song again. This is a song I wrote for my grandfather, who ran away from the Flandreau Indian boarding school. My grandpa, Aubrey Lyons, was born in 1913, and he went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school and ran away. And I'll spare you the whole story because, well, whatever. Anyway, the song is called Home. And I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. But on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Miigwech, 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 Miigwech." Thank you. Miigwech, I'll go home. And yeah, so that's a song about my grandfather and boarding school. Sunlight streams through window pane onto a spot on the floor. Then I remember, it's where you used to lie, but now you are no more. Our feet walk down a hall of carpet, and muted echoes sound. Then I remember, it's where your paws would joyously abound. A voice is heard along the road, and up beyond the hill. Then I remember, it can't be yours. Your golden voice is still. But I'll take that vacant spot of floor, an empty muted hall, and lay them with the absent voice, an unused dish along the wall. I'll wrap the treasured memories in a blanket of my love and keep them for my best friend until we meet above. See, I told you I was sad. All right. Stood there in the back of the church of the broken people. Listen to the walking wounded tell their stories. My turn came and I told them my name. I said, "This ain't my first time." Then a man started talking about the devil and the bottle was ruining my life. Last night on my breath, I stood up and said, "It ain't the whiskey, it ain't the cigarettes, it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times, easy. It ain't the whiskey that's killing me. Ditche manadu, daga we duka wishin. We ni ji, not a good a wonderman. Ji o dappen a man enu the gashki katose one. Ji anji sadoyan. Ji de apichi de ayan. Ji anji sadoyan. The gashki katoyan. Ji de apichi nebwakayan. It came the man, oh no. Watch get your money. Watch. There's a dollar egg. On the mat there. The Serenity Prayer. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the cigarettes. It ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard time. And it ain't the all night. No, it ain't that easy. And it ain't the whiskey that's killing me. That's killing me. That's killing me. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the whiskey. Oh. That was great, Mike.
BOOZHOO!
Nice.
Welcome back
Wow.
to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and with me today, of course, Mr. NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO!
And also we have the lovely and the talented Natasha. Take it down, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO! Gakina! We've got a really good song for you today. This one is by Gordon Lightfoot, and it's called If You Could Read My Mind. And we got Michael Lyons on the guitar here. Oh, take it away, Niji. If you could read my mind, what a tale my thoughts would tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In a castle dark or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the ghost would be me. And I would never be set free as long as I'm a ghost you can see. And if I could read your mind, love, what a tale your thoughts could tell. Just like a paperback novel, kind that the drugstore sell. When you reach the part where the heartache comes, the hero would be me. And heroes often fail. And you won't read that book again because the ending's just too hard to take. I walk away like a movie star who gets burned in a three-way script. Enter number 2, a movie queen to play the scene of bringing all the good things out in me. But for now, love, let's be real. Never thought that I could act this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. If you could read my mind, love, what a tale my thoughts could tell. Just like an old-time movie about a ghost from a wishing well. In castle dark, or a fortress strong with chains upon my feet, the story always ends. And if you read between the lines, you'll know that I'm just trying to understand the feelings that you left. I never thought that I could feel this way, and I've got to say that I just don't get it. I don't know where we went wrong, but the feeling's gone, and I just can't get it back. Oh, that was great, Michael. Hey, thanks a lot. Gordon Lightfoot. And, If I Could Read Your Mind. Oh, man, that's a great old song.